Do you want to learn the Riffle Shuffle? Well, you've come to the right place, and let's learn it right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be teaching you a must-learn move called the Riffle Shuffle. You may have seen a lot of people do this in card games or magicians in general. So, whether you're a magician or just someone who wants to play a game of cards, then this is a must-learn move. I'll also be teaching you how to do this bridge flourish, a way of pushing the cards together. So, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So, let's talk about the grip. So, the grip is simple. It's just this. You're holding the deck with the thumb, with your right hand. So, the thumb here, the 3 fingers on top, and your index is curled in. The reason your index is curled in is because you're going to break off cards. So, what you're going to do is you're going to push down on the cards. As you can see, the cards are bowing with your index. So you're just putting pressure. And then you're going to slowly release cards with your thumb. Okay, so when you release, you're going to grab the cards with this hand. So you're going to grab it with mainly these fingers in this grip. So you're riffling and you're putting it on these 2 fingers. Okay, so you're here. Then you're going to take these 2 fingers to catch the cards. And then once you get half, you're going to use the index and the pinky of the left hand to grab it like this. So let's look at this grip. It's just take a note. It's like this. And then from here, you're just riffling the cards to do the flourish. So you have this grip. You're grabbing the cards and you're getting into this. Then what you're doing is the riffle. So you're going to slowly release with both of your thumbs at the same time, which is going to mix the cards together. Okay, it'll take time to get used to the procedure of mixing it. So you're catching, then you're slowly releasing one after another. As you can see, the cards are mixing. Then instead of just pushing it together, you're in this grip. So what you're going to do is you're going to push down on the cards like this. So you're going to push down at the same time as pushing inwards. And what this will do, as you slowly release, the cards will bow together like a bridge. So once you get to this point, what you want to do is make sure to press hard and keep the top bended. Because if you just do something like that, the cards will separate. So you need to put pressure and bend the cards. So don't be afraid to bend the cards or the cards won't bridge together. So you're here, your thumbs are on the top and your fingers are just laying here. I usually have, I'm not very picky about where my fingers go, but I'm just pushing down. So I'm pushing down and in like this. And then I'm slowly releasing with my fingers, which causes the cards to bow together. So just take a look at how my fingers are letting go. So my fingers are extending to catch the cards. So instead of just keeping it bent, I'm letting go with these fingers, which will cause the pressure to bow together and catch the cards. From here, I usually just square up. So this is not really a move, but magicians usually do something like this. So this motion is used to square up and for other uses in magic, but you can just take note of that. So you may have seen that when I do this, immediately I go like this. And just that motion of going clockwise will square up the cards. So that was the flourish, the Riffle Shuffle, and the bridge that is a mandatory for cardicians and card handlers. So I hope you enjoyed that beginner tutorial and make sure to practice it. And I'll see you in the next video.